am Angela, and today we are opening blind bags. Da, 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 da. Yes, so today's theme is cow pattern. So basically each one of these packages has a squishy that has some type of cow theme. This first one with the blue, it is a common. You have this green one, and it is common. God, they're all common so far. Okay, so this one is just a plain one, and it is an ultra rare. Finally, something not common. Yellow one, and it is common. Other plain one, and it is rare. So I'm very excited to see what is in these blind bags. Okay, so my favorite was the ultra rare. I love this so much. But all of them were actually very amazing. I loved all of them.